Today I'm at the Georgia Renaissance Festival. I'm so glad I didn't wear the pink and the Lineur shoes, otherwise it will be very uncomfortable. The building here is very like old time. I finally got here and the first thing we need to do is to put on sunscreen. People here dress like old time. The fashion style is like the corset and with like a blouse corset. It's like parrot. Because this morning we didn't have time to dress up, so I just dress up my style. And next time if I come here, I will dress up.
I give them kisses all the time.
This is a costume that people wearing here. I really love this costume. Wow. Next year, if I come here, I really need to spend time on the costumes. So look, people here are dressing up. I really love this costume. I think I have something similar. If I had time this morning, I can put up something that's similar. That's costume. Wow, it's really fancy. It'll be very hard to try on this costume. I need this one for the house. That's really cool. It's a dragon. Here got a maze entrance. Look, it's got more costumes. Wow, look this one. Wow, that one is very pretty. Wow, this one is very beautiful too. I really do think I have some clothes I can put together. I have lots of those corsets. I got the idea now. I got the idea what I should to wear at this festival. I think when I get home, I can find out those clothes. I can show you. I do have. Oh, hi.
On Instagram.
Oh, thank you. Yeah, sure.
I'm so excited.
You're right. People recognize me here. Wow, they're all very pretty. I do have similar dress. And those are all for men. Parrot costume. Wow. Here's for babies. That's really cute. For babies. Wow. I love those. The colors and the quality is really good. Wow, that's very pretty. For the little girls, those for the babies. That's super cute. And those for the little boys. Is that the wedding dress?
Wedding dress, yes.
Oh, thank you. Wow, I think we will look great in that set. Couple costume. Very fancy. This is like the parrot. Wow, there's more that's super cute. Wow, the pink one. The pink one is as good as the purple one. They're all very pretty. I would love to try on all of those. Wow, there are matching ones. Wow, I really love it. Wow, I love this one as well. This one looks good too. And there's a pink one over there. Wow, pink one. That one is also pink. Look, those are the dress part. I think I have the blouse and I have the corset, but I don't have the dress. I can try it on, right? I like this style. It has 3 pieces. It got the blouse, corset, and the skirt part. That's the whole set. Oh, I really want one. Parrot style. Here got more clothes and it's different styles. Oh, look over there. I really like the red one. Wow, that's amazing. Look at all those corsets. Different styles of corsets. I really love the purple one. The purple one. Wow, it looks so fancy. Like something over there. This is not princess style. It's like for workers. More dresses. I think this one is super cute. That one looks very pretty. This one is so pretty. This one's the purple one. I think this one's the best. This one is the best I have seen so far. This is my favorite one out of all those costumes. I think I will look great in this costume.
Alright, I'm going to tighten from the waist up first. Alright, now you got to twirl. That's a twirling outfit. And you want the cape too, or you just wanted that?
Here's some matches.
Beautiful.
I know about this little white.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. Thank you so much. It's raining so hard. We can't go anywhere right now. So I'm getting the turkey legs. I think the turkey, the skin is very hard, but the meat is very tender. Yeah, it's actually very good, but at some spot it tastes a little bit salty. It's vanilla ice cream. It's very pretty. It's a purple house. He looks super handsome. King and queen tent. He must be very hot wearing the big costume. Ah, he's really handsome. got wet and oil. It's super hot. I think the night fight was very exciting. It's my first time seeing it live. It surprised me when they kill each other and the blood coming out. It's like in the movie. We didn't finish a lot of things this time because we were in a hurry to come to this place and it was raining and we didn't do a lot of things, and the next time I think I will come in May, so it will not be super hot and humid. And I'm surprised that there was a girl asking me if I'm Yumi King, so she recognized me from my second channel. I'm surprised. On my second channel only has over 50,000 subscribers and she recognized me from that channel. It's the first time people usually recognize me of the name Yumi King. I think I will definitely come back next year, but in May, so it will not be too humid and too hot. And when I get home, I think I will do a full face skincare because I got a lot of sun today. So I will do gel. It's good for when you have a lot of sun. And my face is very sticky. I think because I have been sweating. This is my first time in this summer I sweated. I usually don't sweat, but today I sweated a lot. I had a lot of fun at this place. I wanted to go to the fortune teller place. I want to try it out, but we didn't have time to do this. I wonder what my fortune in the future health, future children, and future career. It has a lot of stuff, a lot of activities in this festival. It's like Disney. It has so many stuff, so many activities. So people dress up at the festival. They dress up as the king or queen or the parrot and elf, and the long dresses with corset and with off-shoulder bell-shaped blouse. It's like the purple dress I tried on. That's old-time style. I do have the ruffle, the long ruffle dress, and I have corset, and I have the ruffle blouse. So that's